Ace your discussions, presenting arguments and evidence effectively. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a critical area of engaging in group discussions: how to present your arguments and supporting evidence. We'll explore how to structure your points, use persuasive language, and back up your thoughts with solid proof. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in making your voice heard in English group discussions. Before jumping into a discussion, it's essential to structure your argument in a way that is clear, logical, and persuasive. Start with your main point, followed by your supporting points. Your main point, also known as your claim or assertion, is the core idea that you want others to accept. Supporting points are the reasons or evidence that you use to back up your main point. They make your argument stronger and more credible. A great method for structuring your argument is the PEE approach. P. Point. Start with your main point. What do you want to say? E. Explanation. Explain your point further. How does it work, or why is it important? E. Evidence. Provide evidence that supports your point. This can be a fact, statistic, or anecdote. Now that you have your argument structured, it's time to deliver it effectively. Using persuasive language helps make your argument more compelling. Clear language. Keep your language simple and understandable. Active voice. Use active voice rather than passive. It makes your statements more direct and forceful. Emotional appeal. Occasionally, appeal to the listener's emotions to engage them better. Repetition. Repeat your main points for emphasis. Rhetorical questions. Pose questions that make your listeners think about your point of view. Evidence is the backbone of any argument. Without it, your argument lacks credibility and persuasiveness. Relevant evidence. Ensure that your evidence directly supports your point. Irrelevant evidence will only confuse your listeners. Credible sources. If you're citing facts or studies, make sure they come from reliable sources. Personal experiences. Personal stories or anecdotes can make powerful evidence because they add a human touch to your argument. Statistics. Numbers and data, when used correctly, can provide strong backing to your claims. Well, that's it for today's lesson, everyone. Remember, presenting arguments effectively is all about structure, persuasive language, and robust evidence. Practice these techniques, and you'll soon find yourself excelling in group discussions. Keep practicing, keep learning, and see you in the next video.